My priorities since the trial are still the same. My daughter's number one to me. I was so much more mindful about what I'm putting in my body. Health and mindfulness definitely climbed the list in the priorities since the trial. My life at the time I was diagnosed with diabetes was significantly busy. A lot of travel. I was on the road a lot. Pretty stressful situation. It was during the pandemic, so when travel was difficult, however necessary for my role as a trainer. So I spent a lot of time in the hotel room eating. My diagnosis came about when I did a routine blood check, and initially came back as being pre-diabetic. Fast forward to about a year and a half later, in the middle of the pandemic, the next blood test I came back and I was actually diagnosed as diabetic. What ultimately made me decide to participate in the trial was that it offered for me structure. So I knew that I would be accountable for showing up on a regular schedule that gave me some consistency and some accountability.
The typical visit for the clinical trial that Sean was involved in, part of it depended on at what stage in the trial the visit occurred. This particular study was targeted around diabetes, and so getting a robust history of the diabetes, we're able to offer to Sean a lot of things that oftentimes may not be accessed within healthcare.
One of the greatest things about my treatment at Elligo was that the quality of the treatment was much higher than I expected. Dr. Holmes was very knowledgeable. She'd been in practice for a very long time. She made me feel empowered. She gave me knowledge.
Through the course of the trial, educational material provided that built up a binder so that it's something that he has for life.
Elligo showed me how to manage the disease. Understanding how to live well with it and manage it gave me confidence to do the things I needed to do or the things I wanted to do to enjoy experiences with my daughter.
Over time, after finding out he took the trial and everything, he started to eat healthier and exercise more and lost some weight. It has helped him get healthier. It helped me get healthier by knowing about this, and we're both growing in health and a little bit mentally.
The incentive is really about being a healthier person. When you are not at your best health-wise, you can't be at your best as a parent or a coworker or a friend. So they're all tied in together.